Tired of dropped calls and spotty service ruining your adventures? Let's dissect US Mobile's coverage to see if it can keep you connected, no matter where you roam. US Mobile operates as an MVNO, meaning it doesn't own its own towers, but cleverly uses the networks of both Verizon and T-Mobile. This dual network approach gives you a choice during activation. First, head to the US Mobile website and use their interactive coverage map. Type in your address, or any location you frequently visit, to see which network, Verizon or T-Mobile, offers the best coverage in that specific area. Pay close attention to the color coding, as it indicates the signal strength. Don't just rely on US Mobile's map, cross-reference with Verizon and T-Mobile's official coverage maps for an even more detailed picture. This is especially important if you live in a rural area, as coverage can vary significantly between the two networks. Consider your typical usage. Are you primarily in urban areas where both Verizon and T-Mobile generally have strong coverage? Or do you spend time in more remote locations where one network might outperform the other? User reviews and forum discussions specific to your region can also provide valuable insights. Finally, think about data speeds. While coverage is important, so is how fast your internet is. Look into 5G availability in your area from both Verizon and T-Mobile, as this will impact your streaming and browsing experience with US Mobile.